Her next stop is Adelaide. She's not coming to Perth.
Gerard Hydraulics, the leaders in custom hydraulic solutions, servicing and repairs. Get back to business faster. Search Gerard Hydraulics.
In cricket, Australia is now chasing down England's first innings total of 335 in the second Ashes Test in Brisbane. The visitors all out half an hour
If
into
he's just
day
bringing
two
the
of
car.
gather.
So, I don't care.
No, for this parking spot.
Yeah, you can't take it. I'm going.
Why?
I'm reversing in.
No, I'm just saying. Come on, mate.
Where's
My
the
wife
car?
is she's coming. She's right
Mate,
behind.
I'm a police officer, and you cannot do that. I'll have you.
Need a touch of luxury at your next event? Instant toilets and showers 6-star VIP toilets are the most luxurious toilets you'll find anywhere.